1. What is the primary advantage of paintless dent repair over traditional body repair methods? A. It requires less training. B. It preserves the original factory finish. C. It works on all types of damage. It is always faster than conventional repair. 2. Which type of dent is generally considered ideal for PDR? A. Dents with paint damage and scratches. B. Dents on body lines with sharp creases. C. Round, shallow dents with no paint damage. D. Large dents with stretched metal. 3. What is the recommended angle for holding a PDR tool when applying pressure to a dent? A. 90 degrees perpendicular to the panel. B. 45-degree angle to the panel surface. C. Parallel to the panel surface. D. 30-degree angle to the panel surface. 4. Which lighting system is most commonly used to identify low and high spots during PDR? A. Fluorescent tube lighting. B. LED fogboard or lineboard. C. Natural sunlight only. D. Standard shop lighting. 5. What does reading the dent mean in PDR terminology? A. Measuring the dent with calipers. B. Documenting the dent for insurance purposes. C. Analyzing the depth, size, and characteristics of the damage. D. Taking photographs of the dent. 6. Which metal type requires more caution during PDR due to its tendency to crack? Mild steel. B. Aluminum. Galvanized steel. Carbon steel. 7. What is a crown in PDR terminology? A type of PDR tool. B. The highest point of a raised area or high spot. C. A protective cap for tool tips. D. The center of the original dent. 8. What is the purpose of a PDR whale tail tool? A. Accessing dents through small openings. B. Working on large flat panels with limited access. Removing door panels. D. Polishing after repair. 9. What is stress relieving in PDR? Taking breaks during long repairs. B. Removing tension from the metal by working around the dent. C. Heating the panel before repair. D. Using lubricant on tools. 10. Which factor most significantly affects the repairability of a dent using PDR? A. The color of the vehicle. B. The age of the vehicle. C. The location, depth, and whether the paint is damaged. D. The brand of the vehicle. 11. What is a sharp dent or crease? A. A dent caused by shopping carts. B. A dent with a defined ridge or line of impact. C. A very small dent. D. A dent on the roof. 12. What is the purpose of using heat in PDR? A. To melt the paint. B. To soften the metal and clear coat for safer manipulation. C. To dry the panel after washing. To sterilize the tools. 13. What is glue pulling in PDR? A. Using adhesive tabs on the exterior to pull dents outward. B. Removing adhesive from body panels. C. Attaching trim pieces. D. Securing tools in place. 14. What is the recommended temperature range for applying heat during PDR on modern clear coats? A. 300-400 Fairworth. B. 250 Greur. C. 150 Boer. D. 120 Gray. 15. What is metal memory in the context of PDR? A. The technician's ability to remember previous repairs. B. Metal's tendency to return toward its original shape. The weight of the metal panel. D. Recording the repair in a database. 16. Which access point is typically used for repairing dents on a vehicle's roof? A. Through the trunk. B. Through the headliner and roof bracing. C. Through the windshield opening. D. Through the fuel filler door. 17. What is a door brace or window guard used for in PDR? A. To protect the window glass while working inside the door. B. To hold the door open. To prevent rust. To measure dent depth. 18. What does PDR stand for? A. Paint damage restoration. B. Paintless dent repair. C. Panel dent removal. D. Professional dent restoration. 19. What is the purpose of a reflection board in PDR? A. To protect the technician's eyes. B. To create a visual reference for identifying surface irregularities. C. To reflect heat onto the panel. D. To take photographs of damage. 20. What is tap down in PDR? A. Technique to reduce high spots using a knockdown tool. B. Installing sound deadening material. C. Testing the panel for rust. D. Applying primer to bare metal. 21. Which type of vehicle panel typically has the most limited access for PDR tools? A. Hood. Front fender. C. Quarter panel. D. Door. 22. What is the main purpose of using a PDR blending hammer? A. To create new dents. B. To spread the force when tapping down high spots. C. To remove paint. D. To test metal thickness. 23. What is R&I in PDR context? A. Repair and install. B. Remove and install, parts for access. C. Review and inspect. D. Refinish and improve. 24. What condition makes a dent unsuitable for PDR? A. Dent is on a horizontal panel. B. Dent is smaller than 1 inch. C. Paint is cracked, chipped, or the metal is stretched. D. Dent is less than 1 week old. 25. What is the purpose of interchangeable tips on PDR rods? A. To color match the vehicle. B. To adapt to different dent shapes and sizes. C. To prevent rust on tools. D. To increase the tool's resale value. 26. Which lighting technique involves using parallel lines to detect surface imperfections? Spotlighting. B. Fog or lineboard reflection. C. Blacklight inspection. D. Cross-polarized lighting. 27. What is a ding in PDR terminology? A. The sound made when pushing out a dent. B. A small, minor dent, typically less than 1 inch. C. A scratch in the paint. A type of PDR tool. 28. What is the purpose of a PDR window wedge? A. To break windows for access. B. To create a gap for tool insertion without damaging seals. C. To measure dent depth. D. To hold parts during painting. 29. What is working the dent from the outside in referring to? A. Starting repair from outside the vehicle. B. Addressing the outer edges of the dent before the deepest point. C. Using glue pull before push techniques. D. Working during daylight hours. 30. What is the risk of applying too much pressure with a PDR tool? A. The tool may break. B. Creating a high spot or pimple that requires knockdown. C. The vehicle may move. D. The lighting will be affected. 31. What is hail damage in PDR context? A. Damage from salt on roads. B. Multiple dents caused by ice balls during storms. C. Scratches from tree branches. D. Damage from improper washing. 32. Why is aluminum more challenging to repair with PDR compared to steel? A. Aluminum is magnetic. B. Aluminum has less memory and is more prone to cracking and stretching. C. Aluminum is always thicker. D. Aluminum cannot be accessed with standard tools. 33. What is the purpose of dead blow or soft-faced hammers in PDR? A. To create louder impact sounds. B. To prevent bouncing and panel damage during knockdown. To remove rust. D. To install new panels. 34. What is a dent depth gauge used for? A. To measure paint thickness. B. To measure the depth of a dent for estimating repairability. C. To check tool calibration. D. To measure metal hardness. 35. What is cross-checking in PDR? A. Verifying payment methods. B. Viewing the repair from multiple angles to ensure complete correction. C. Checking for previous repairs. Comparing prices between shops. 36. Which vehicle component often needs to be removed to access dents on inner door panels? Engine. B. Door trim panel and vapor barrier. C. Dashboard. Fuel tank. 37. What does OEM finish refer to in PDR? Aftermarket paint job. B. Original equipment manufacturer factory paint. C. Optional extra modification. D. Outdoor environmental material. 38. What is the primary safety concern when working inside vehicle doors? A. Electrical shock from power window motors and wiring. Exposure to fuel vapors. C. Airbag deployment. D. Engine heat. 39. What is elastic deformation versus plastic deformation in metalworking? A. Elastic returns to shape. Plastic is permanent deformation. B. Elastic is flexible metal. Plastic is rigid. Both terms refer to the same concept. D. Elastic uses heat. Plastic uses cold. 40. What is the benefit of using LED line boards over traditional fluorescent tube lighting? Lower cost only. B. Better portability, durability, and more consistent light output. C. They generate more heat. D. They require less training to use. 41. What is picking in PDR technique? A. Selecting which dents to repair first. B. Making precise small pushes to raise specific low spots. C. Removing debris from the dent area. Choosing the correct tool size. 42. What is the purpose of a brace bar or fulcrum in PDR? A. To hold the vehicle in place. B. To provide leverage and pivot point for PDR rods. C. To measure panel thickness. D. To protect the floor from tool drops.